All right, guys, welcome to Kitchen Daddy. This week we're going to do a beautiful Celeriac Remoulade, which is a classic French accompaniment, which we're going to serve with some charcuterie. Guys, there's no cooking involved in this. We're just going to do some good chopping, mix it all together, and it's just going to make your charcuterie plate even better. Come on, let's get into it. Right, to kick things off, let's grab our celeriac or celery root and a ginormous lemon. Now, the easiest way to peel a celeriac is to use your knife, and we're going to run that around the outside just to remove that tough outer skin. Now, we want to cut the celeriac into thin batons, or julienne we'd call it in the restaurant. So, a couple of options. You could use a mandolin, which is, you kind of run the celeriac down there, and that's just going to cut it into uniform strips. But we don't need that. We can improve our knife skills. So let's use a knife to do this, and all we're going to do is just cut that into really thin pieces, and then using a knife we're just going to chop that up really, really finely. Now guys, this is really, honestly, it's a great way to improve your knife skills, so that's what I'd recommend rather than using a mandolin any day of the week. Okay, let's get all of those into a large bowl. I'm going to cut off a piece of lemon and let's squeeze that over. And the reason we do this, guys, because like a lot of vegetables, sometimes they can discolor when they react with the air. Now, using your hands, let's give that a really good mix together. And now we can add all the other ingredients. Okay, first up, let's add a couple of tablespoons of mayonnaise. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of creme fraiche. And then in a lot of recipes, people just add, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I like to add a good dollop of Dijon, and then a little bit different, so we've got some more textures going on. Let's add a large teaspoon of whole grain mustard as well. Okay, we need to add a good pinch of salt, some black pepper as well. Now let's mix that all together. And the last thing we're going to add is some finely chopped parsley as well. Okay, that looks great, so let's cover that with cling film, get it in the fridge. We're going to leave that for about half an hour, and then we're going to plate up. Here we go, guys, look at that. Oh, absolutely beautiful. And do you know what? My wonderful wife has returned with a half-eaten baguette. I could put that down to my kids in the car, but look, this is what we need. And to be honest, guys, I am so hungover at the moment. It's a zillion degrees outside here, and I just need some food. So this is going to be beautiful. In fact, we're going to make a quick sandwich. In fact, let's just taste the celeriac. Yeah, here we go, guys. Here we go. Delicious. So this, like I said, now, right? Honestly, guys, you've given it probably about an hour. You've got all that lovely flavour of the celeriac coming through, and that's the most important thing. We really want the flavour. We've got a wonderful combination of the mustards and the texture and the visual of the mustard seeds. So good. Now, some people just make it with mayonnaise. No, it's too claggy. You need that creme fraiche just to loosen everything up. Really, really good. So, let's make a quick sandwich. I've got some copper here. Let's load that on, and then, whoop, excuse fingers, right, get some of that celeriac in there. Oh my word, guys. This is going to be lunch. Oh my word. I am going to thoroughly enjoy this. Get in the comments, give us a thumbs up. Next week, Father's Day, cowboy steak. So, mums, Or dads, tell your wives to get in the comments. Not get in the comments. Come in next week. We're going to show you how to make cowboy steak. Oh, hello. I'm going to enjoy this. Take care. Bye-bye.